Good morning, Castle staff. This is Amanda and Katrina with this week's Castle Communication. As always, our purpose is breaking barriers and building futures. To get started, some updates. CAS training is underway for 3rd through 6th grade. Please let us know if anything has changed or you need an updated CAS calendar. And just a reminder, 3rd through 6th grade, you may do your own ELD and walk to learn during this time.
And just a reminder, there are no Inspire Labs this week because the coaches and specialists are working on summer school curriculum. Inspire Labs will resume next week.
We have a lockdown and fire drill scheduled for tomorrow, April 24th. We will have the lockdown procedures in your boxes today for you to review.
And then there is a thermostat survey linked in the email. Please complete this by Wednesday, April 25th.
Another reminder, the Fresh Fruit and Vegetable Grant will be served on Wednesday, April 25th, and that is the last day of the grant. Please let your students know that starting this Thursday, we will not have fresh fruit and vegetables, so they are prepared.
And then kindergarten testing is this Wednesday, April 25th. When you see families on campus, please welcome them to Castle.
And the principals and UVA team who went to Georgia will be off campus on Friday for the UVA Spring Retreat.
And Shannon Hilton will be here filling in. All right, Coast to Coast Soccer will be here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Again, we've added basketball to the 5th and 6th grade lunch recess. Please remind your students to participate.
Champion a Child continues this week. Make sure you continue to meet with your student and then make sure those tally sheets are being turned in so that we can quantify our success.
And then our ELA interim window closed on April 20th. Please let Amanda and Katrina know when you will conduct the interim protocol for K through 2nd. 3rd through 6th, we know you're working through IABs, so we won't worry about that interim analysis with you guys.
All right, for kindergarten 1st and 2nd, ELD planning is available for 4th quarter. You will have 4 hours of extra duty planning. Please schedule a time with Shannon or Jill so that they can support your team.
And then 3rd grade, we'll have after school snacks this week. Please support our 3rd grade team.
And SSTs are tomorrow. Hopefully you have everything ready to go because you will be meeting with parents and the team.
And then Tuesday, April 24th is Bus Driver Appreciation Day. Teachers, if you have students who ride the bus, if you could have them write a quick note or draw a picture for the bus driver, that would be greatly appreciated. Please turn those in to Amanda or Katrina.
And then Wednesday is Administrative Professionals Day. We are honoring Destiny and Natalie. We are doing a potluck that day, so don't forget to bring whatever you signed up for and then also write them a note of appreciation.
And then we will have a leadership meeting this Wednesday, April 25th from 3:20 to 4:20.
All right, some shout outs. Thank you to John Rosenau for organizing SSTs and kindergarten testing.
And then thank you to Natalie and Amanda Goodwin for organizing our first annual Castle Color Run. It was a great success.
Thank you to Jim Benak, Katie, Liz, Lisette, Carolina, Julie, Celine, Ashley, Alyssa, Destiny, Therese, and Grant, and everybody else who was out there for volunteering at the Color Run.
And then thank you, Melvin, for preparing the NPR for the Camp Keep meeting last week.
Thank you to Bree and Jill for facilitating summer STEAM curriculum planning and ordering.
And thank you to our specialists who are working diligently on summer STEAM curriculum and supply orders, Jamie, Shannon, Misty, Emilio, Anthony, Becky, and Cody. We appreciate you guys.
And a big, huge thank you to Natalie for inputting all the summer STEAM orders by last Friday's deadline. It was a huge task, and thank you for accomplishing it.
And then thanks to all who participated and helped at the district track meeting on Saturday.
Thank you to Kim and Shannon for sharing about Camp Keep with our 5th and 6th graders.
And then Kim and Destiny for receiving and double checking summer STEAM and Camp Keep registration. We appreciate that support. All right, everyone, thanks for listening. Remember our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture. Have a great week.